everything is digital. It has been digital for a very long time. For a number of years, it has been digital. So if you're thinking about starting something and it's physical, then you should have a rethink. It should have some form of online integration. You know what I'm saying? Because there are so many business ideas that are available fully online. And I'm going to be sharing those ideas with you. So whether you're looking at starting up a business of your own, or you just want to make some extra side income, you want to look at starting up something online, not physical. If you're starting up something online, it's going to be easy for you because you're going to scale easily. It's going to be flexible. You can like work and manage your business from anywhere. It's not like a physical location that you have to be at that particular location before you get to run your business. So if you're starting up something online, it's going to be easy for you to make sure that that thing becomes a success. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 7 best online business ideas that you can start right now. When I mean right now, after watching this video, you can start doing your research and generate ideas around it and implement those ideas. It's not just watching this video. You don't want to just be consuming stuff. You want to start, you want to start implementation. Implementation is everything. So just stick with me till the end of this video. My name is Charles and I'm passionate about businesses. I love to see people and businesses grow, and that's what I do in this channel. I create amazing videos of online marketing, business, entrepreneurship, make money online and life. If it's your first time on this channel, subscribe, like, share. If you get value from this video, don't forget to just drop Online Business Titans in the comment section. By the way, I have a special group. It's called Online Business Titan. If you want to join, just check. There's a link in the description. You can join. It's for free and we'll be starting a project soon. We have already started if you're watching this video late, but if you're watching this video early, we will be starting soon. So there are many businesses that you can start online without spending money, without investing money with huge assets, renting storefront, renting a space or buying big equipment, buying stuff. No, we are in the new age, you're in the new era. You need to test out your business idea before spending money. So you don't need to spend money before you get started with your idea, before you test or try out your ideas. And that's what I would recommend to anyone that want to start any business now. You want to just quickly set up your website, because anything I'm going to share in would need a website. Anything you're doing that has to do with physical, that means you have to invest something to get started, and there are so many people that don't even have that kind of investment to start. So you want to create or think of ideas around this online space where you don't need to spend much to get started, where you only need to spend maybe to get a website, to get a domain and all those things before you get started, and which would help you. It will be easy for you to test out your ideas and you'll see that, okay, this idea is something that will work. It will be easy for you to see that the idea you have would be successful. So an online business would give you more flexibility and it will give you lower overhead costs and the ability to reach a global base. So you want to start a business having the end in mind. You don't want to put so much effort in something that is not scalable, and almost every online business is scalable. So that's the good thing about starting an online business, because you have the ability to reach a good number of people. You can reach a lot of people, not just people in your geographical location, people that live far from you. So in most online business model, you don't need to spend money with inventory and some other physical assets. So I'm going to be sharing 7 business ideas that you can start with little or no money. So make sure you watch this video till the end. The first one is e-commerce store. Start an e-commerce store. So with more and more people shopping online, starting an e-commerce store is a great way for you to tap into this growing market. So whether you want to sell your own product or sell other people's products, starting an e-commerce store is a great way for you to reach customers all over the world. Starting an e-commerce store can be a great way for you to get into that growing market. Everyone right now, not everyone maybe, most people right now shop online. So right now there are like millions of dollars flying around. So you want to tap into that market and own an e-commerce store. When starting an e-commerce store, it is important to choose the right platform for your business, whether it's Shopify, Magneto, WooCommerce. There's so many of them out there. Maybe in another video, I'm going to talk about that. So after getting your platform, you choose your niche. Some people prefer to start a general store where you have products from different niches, but you can choose a particular niche. For example, you can say, okay, I want to sell purse products, I want to sell just for women, I want to sell wares for men, or I just want to sell foodstuffs or groceries or whatever. But it's important to know your niche, so it will be easy for you to create a brand around that niche and craft a message that will be appealing to your customers. Another thing you need to be familiar with when it comes to setting up an e-commerce store is SEO, search engine optimization, email marketing, social media marketing, content marketing, which is very important so that you'll be able to convince your prospects to purchase and become a customer. So for your prospects to convert to a customer, you need to know these things, copywriting, and all of that. So practically almost every online business needs email marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, and all of that. So you would be able to reach more people, you'll be able to reach new people, and you'll be able to create a message that is appealing to them in order for them to buy what you're selling. Another business idea you can start is dropshipping. Now, dropshipping is somewhat similar to e-commerce, but the difference here is you're not going to invest money up front. It's just a different model. You don't need to hold any inventory. You're not going to invest any huge form of money. You're not making any form of investment anyway, apart from setting up your domains and all of that. You're not going to invest money in getting product. So the model is just easy. You buy from where it's being sold very low when the customer purchases, and then you send it to the customer. So whenever the customer buys, you already know the list of suppliers, or you already have your store set up and you have the contact of your supplier. So whenever someone makes a purchase, you head over to a supplier, buy it with the customer's money, and send it to them. So you may not need to send it yourself. You can send your customer's address to the supplier, and some suppliers will send it directly to your customer. So there are different ways you can do this. There are different platforms where you can do this. And the whole idea here is just to find where they sell that your product that you want to sell, or those products you want to sell, where they sell it for a very cheap price, and then make sure that the delivery time is very, very, very low. You have quick delivery time where it will be easy for you to send or to ship the product to your customer. The good thing about this is that it eliminates the need for you to handle any form of inventory or to invest some sort of money buying products, because some people just end up buying products and they end not selling anything. So it's a low risk business that you can start without anything. So finding the right supplier is hard, which is what might take much time for you, researching suppliers and getting to know the people that have good products. So there's another way to go about this. Now, there are so many people that sell things online. You must have been seeing people that post maybe on their social media or on WhatsApp, they sell this. You can become a reseller. You can drop ship. You can start advertising their product, and then when someone buys, you send the customer's address to the person and you get your own cut. So there are different ways. Not just that, I think Facebook Market, they have cheap products there where you can see good products. So you can also drop ship on Facebook Market. So there are different platforms, not just Alibaba, not just AliExpress and all of that. There is also Facebook Market, and there are also shopping platforms, maybe like Gigi and other platforms around where you stay that they sell low. In fact, it doesn't need to be online. See, if you want to take this step further, you can just put things up. If someone orders it, you go to the market, buy it, and send it to the person. You don't need to hold any product. So it's still the same dropshipping model. You don't need to hold inventory. Nowadays, most businesses don't hold inventory. They only get to ship when you place an order. And this is what you want to do. If you don't want to spend money holding inventory, if you don't want to spend money buying stuff, you want to be sure that, okay, you're making money from what you're doing. You don't want to just have lots of products and no one is there to buy it. Sometimes selling stuff can get boring and it's so tiring when you have a lot of things and no one is buying. The third one is online tutoring or coaching. I know you must have been seeing stuff like, I want to show you how to do this. I want to show you how to do this. I can teach you how to do this. I can show you how to do this. Yep, online courses. Selling courses online is a great way for you to make money. Now, if you have a skill or you're knowledgeable in a particular domain, you can package it in form of a course and sell it. Selling digital products is sweet because you're not making any form of investment. The investment you're making is just what you know, your skill, which is very sweet. If you know how to do graphic design, if you know how to do video editing, if you maybe know crypto, or you have some sort of special skill or knowledge, even if it's coding, you can put it in form of a course and put it out there. Not just that, if you have list of investors course, special contact that you know people need. You can put it in form of a document and sell it out there. Creating a course doesn't need any form of investment. So the only form of investment you'll be making is just to build up a website or buy a domain and all of that. And I can show you how to get a website and a domain for free. If you can check other of my videos, you'll see that the only investment you'll be making is just to buy a domain or a website and then run ads, which you'll be making the money back because you're going to be getting sales. So selling an online course is a great way for you to make money. Now, if you have a skill that you know is transferable, or you have a knowledge or expertise in a particular domain, put a camera in front of you, record yourself, package it and sell it. But the trick here is, in order for you to do this properly, you need to over deliver. You need to give out value 10 times what you feel you want to give out. If you want to sell something, for example, you want to sell a particular course, you say your course is $20 and you want to sell it $20, your value needs to be at least times 5 or times 10. And the value needs to be worth $100 or $200 for people to really see that, okay, you're giving out something. Because it's just in a video format, people might not appreciate the value that you're giving. Sort of like this value I'm giving now, people might not appreciate it because, okay, it's like a video. They say, okay, it's a video, but a lot comes into play. It's not just about the equipment for recording the video or recording the content. It's more of the knowledge, the skill, the experience that I'm giving out. Stuff like that, you need to pay the price to get it. So create an online course, put a camera in front of you, record, share what you know, share a particular skill, put a price tag to it and put it out there. So there are different digital products you can look into. You can create digital products around affiliate marketing, crypto. You can create digital products around contact lists. There are some people that are looking for specific contact. In fact, if you have some kind of contact, you can package it in a document and sell it. If you know a lot of investors, or if you know some selected people or have access to certain things, you can package it in form of a digital product and sell it. People who need it will buy. These days, people want arranged information, packaged solution. No one wants to go around searching for a whole lot of things. For example, why do people need the gym instructor? You could go to the gym and just work out, but people still pay gym instructors so that they would be focused. They would have someone they can hold responsible. Someone that will tell them, okay, do this, instead of looking for things. If I go to a shop, I don't want to waste time. I'll just look for someone. Where is this? Okay, it is there. Fine, I'll go get it and I'll be out under 2 minutes. I don't want to go like some, people that have the time in the world. I don't want to generalize and say some fools. You just keep walking around the store or the shop for 10 minutes looking for something, when you can ask someone that knows it and you get that, you show you where it is, you get it under 1-2 minutes and you're out. So another one is social media management. Social media management involves, creating, managing, and monitoring social media content for businesses or for individuals. So as more businesses are shifting to the online space, that means there is a need for social media managers. Most business owners or individuals do not have the time to manage their social media. There are a lot of social media platforms: Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. So managing all those social media pages or platforms, it's very tasking for a business owner. The business owner may not have time to manage all that. An individual may not have time to manage all that. Or an influencer may not have time to manage all that. So they might need a social media manager to manage their pages, post content, reply to messages, reply to comments, and all of that. So if you have experience with social media, you know how to create engaging content, you know how the algorithm works, and you understand the several social media platforms, it would be a good thing to look at social media management. There are a lot of influencers out there that need people to manage their profiles for them. There are a lot of business owners that don't have time to post, that don't have time to reply to comments, which is very good. If you want to push your content, you need to be replying to comments on every post, maybe on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, whatever. If you want your post to appear more or to go further, you may need to reply comments, you may need to engage with other people on the platform. Business owners don't have time for that. Influencers don't have time for that. That's where you come in. So if you have experience with social media and you know how to create engaging content, you can manage several social media profiles for several people, business owners or influencers. So to get started, you need to identify your potential clients and create a proposal that would outline the kind of service that you can provide, maybe such as creating content, scheduling posts, engaging engaging with followers, analyzing the performance of each post and all of that. So you should have like some form of understanding on each social media platform, because different social media platforms work differently. Another business idea, which is an industry that is growing into billions of dollars, is online content creation. Creating content online. There is money in creating content online. There are several ways you can create content and monetize it. But to get started, the first thing is you need to have a clear niche and have sort of like a unique perspective and have the ability to be consistent with creating content. You cannot even start making money from it without consistency. So consistency is everything. Create content consistently and have a way that you resonate with your target audience. So the important thing is know your target audience, know the kind of content that you create that they would engage with, that they would resonate with. And once you know that, be consistent with that and find ways to improve your content creation skills, your content creation strategies and all of that. So monetizing your content, there are different ways you can monetize your content across these social media platforms: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok and all of that. So you can monetize it through ad revenue, through gifting, through affiliate marketing, through sponsored content or brand sponsorship, or by selling products or services related to your niche. That's why you need to understand your niche, have a clear niche from the beginning so that you know what to sell when the time comes to start selling. It is very important. I see many content creators, they have millions of followers, but they have no clear path to monetizing their content. How did they start? They just started creating content without thinking, how would I monetize this in future? They start looking for a way to rebrand, which would, make them to lose most of their audience. So some people are even stuck. They don't know how to monetize. They just have followers but no money because they did not start with the future in mind. They did not start with the end in mind. So you're a cook. You post content about cooking. You post on YouTube about cooking and all of that. You're getting money from ad revenue, and you also maybe recommending people to buy stuffs from another platform, maybe cooking utensils, blenders and all of that. Not just that, you decide, okay, I want to start my own restaurant. You already have that authority and that audience. So it will be easy for you to sell your stuff to your audience. People already trust you because they have been watching your videos. You're a good cook. They have tried, they have implemented your steps and they are getting results. So shopping from your restaurant or ordering your food would be easy for your audience. They want to order your food. So that's just for the cooking niche. There is the clothing niche. Post content around clothing, fashion, showing different types of clothes. That kind of content will be easy for you to monetize it because people know you. It will be easy for you to recommend and direct your audience, your traffic to your store to purchase. So starting with the end in mind is very, very important for you. Choose your niche properly. The next one we're talking about is web and app development. More businesses are going online. So you see that there's an open space for you to create websites, to create mobile apps for businesses out there. There's a huge need for developers. So starting a business in this field is also lucrative. There are many people that need developers, that need people to build a mobile app for them, not just to build, to redesign the platform that they have, to redesign their website, to redesign their mobile app. The great thing about this idea is that you don't need to have a core coding skill. If you have coding skill, that's good, that's a plus for you, but there are many platforms that don't require you to code in order to build a website or a mobile app. We have WordPress, we have Webflow. Maybe I'll create a video talking about this. So developing mobile apps, developing softwares, or even UI UX design is a great business idea. Doing it for other people, doing it for businesses is a great way to make money online. The last one we have here is online service businesses. Service businesses like graphic design, editing, writing, and all of that can be run entirely online. So if you have a specific skill or talent, starting an online service business is a great way for you to put your skill to use and make money from it. So for example, if you're a graphic designer, you can design logo, you can design banners, you can design artwork, YouTube thumbnails. There are a lot of things that you can do online, and there are platforms where you can do this, in platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and all of that. So if you're a writer, you can offer your services to write blog posts, articles, or even books for businesses or for individuals. If you have editing skills, you can edit videos. If you know how to transcribe, you can transcribe. If you speak different languages, you can translate and all of that. So there are many online service businesses that you can start, and there are platforms where you can find clients easily like Fiverr, Upwork, and grow. I talked about it in a lot of my videos. So if you check out all of my videos, I've also talked about online service businesses like freelancing and all of that. So these are just basic business ideas that you can start online. There are so many of them. You want to get started, choose one and get started. If you're saying, I don't know which one to pick, I don't know where to start from somewhere, start from what you have. So in maybe all of my videos, I'll talk about several ways to make money online, several online business ideas. I'm going to talk about it in more videos that I'm going to make. So if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, share this video. If you've gotten value from this video, drop a comment in the comment section. Drop online business ideas, drop it in the comment section. If you have tips or if you have questions, you don't understand anything, or you want me to talk about something, put it in the comment section. I'm going to make a video about it, or maybe reply you down there in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in this other video. Cheers.